Hello friends, it is 6 p.m. and I am done for today. I had a very productive day. I even managed to do a quick review on some applications that I use daily. Calendar application and another application that I use to draw floor plans and scribble stuff when I'm on a job site. So check it out, let me know what you think. I hope you like it. So I'm trying out this new calendar app right here. It's very helpful actually because I can write with the Apple Pen on it. I'm trying to get more organized, so to have every note written in the iPad, in the calendar or other apps, to eliminate the need for all this paper laying around. And every time I need to look back on something that I wrote or I took a note while I was on over the phone, I gotta look through tons of paper. So all that basically I want to eliminate and have everything in here. And then I have a bunch of other apps. This Procreate, I love this one. Whenever I go to job sites, I create the floor plans in them. I can write directly on the floor plan, make notes, highlight, delete, things like that. So it's very helpful and very easy. When I'm at a job site, I can write directly on the floor plans. If I'm reviewing a floor plan or a 3D design with the client, this app allows me to draw and create lines and make changes and delete things directly on the floor plan or on the pictures. If I take pictures of walls, I can add things to the walls, I can add furniture, things like that. So very helpful tool to have, and makes my life easier in terms when it comes to explaining what we're gonna do to this part of the wall, or when having design ideas or we need to make changes in the layout and so on. So it's very visual, very helpful for the client and for me as well. So great tool, worth the cost.